Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to unlock a PayPal account. Let's dive right into it. Imagine this, you've just set up a new PayPal account, perhaps for your personal use, or maybe for a small business venture. Everything seems to be going smoothly, but suddenly, you find that your account is locked or restricted. It's frustrating, right? This can happen due to various reasons such as multiple failed login attempts, accessing your account from different locations, or even potential unauthorized transactions. PayPal is quite vigilant when it comes to security, so they might flag your account to verify your identity or the information you've provided. This can lead to restricted access until the verification process is completed. Now let's explore how you can unlock your PayPal account in a few straightforward steps. Step 1. Logging in. Begin by attempting to log into your PayPal account using your credentials. If you are new to PayPal, you'll need to decide on the type of account you want, be it personal or business. Once you make your choice, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. If your account is locked right after this, don't worry, there's a clear path to resolving it. Step 2. Understanding why your account was locked. If you found your account temporarily locked or restricted, it's likely because PayPal detected something unusual. This could be due to multiple failed login attempts, accessing your account from a new location, or suspicious transactions. PayPal's strict security measures require them to verify your identity, or request additional documentation if there are discrepancies in your information. Step 3. Contacting PayPal support. When your account is locked, heading to the settings menu won't help you much. Instead, your best move is to reach out to PayPal's customer support. They will usually need some information about your account and recent transactions to verify your identity and ownership of the account. You have a few options here. You can seek help from the PayPal community, visit the Resolution Center, or, most effectively, call PayPal support directly. Step 4. Dialing PayPal support. To contact PayPal support, log into your account and look for the customer service contact options. You'll find specific dialing instructions, including a one-time passcode you'll need when prompted during your call. Make sure you're aware of the customer service hours, which vary depending on your location. Step 5. Using PayPal messaging. If calling isn't convenient, you can send a message to the PayPal assistant. They can be quite helpful and might resolve your issue promptly. Alternatively, you can leave a message for an agent to get back to you. Remember, when dealing with PayPal support, all information you provide is strictly confidential, so you can feel secure sharing necessary details to unlock your account. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to unlock a PayPal account. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.